कभी कभी ऐसा होता है ना कि आप एक दूसरे को समझ ही नहीं पाते हो, कोशिश की, सब कुछ किया पर समझ नहीं पाते हो. देन पीपल से यू शुड टेक काउंसलिंग, कपल काउंसिल के पास जाओ या काउंसलर के पास जाओ. हाउ डू यू थिंक, व्हाट इज द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ काउंसलिंग इन अ मैरिज?
How is counseling expected to help you is by having a different perspective and a different approach to the same thing, same scenario. क्योंकि आप एक ही तरह से देख पा रहे हो, आप दूसरा नजरिया देख ही नहीं पा रहे हो. काउंसलर आपको सिर्फ वही दिखाने वाला है. तो here I would like to tell you about one story. There was this guy who was at a metro station with 3 of his young kids. And these kids were creating, havoc, teasing others, screaming, spilling things, grabbing people's purses. They were misbehaving totally. And this guy is, sitting as if completely indifferent to what is happening. And I was getting extremely worked up. And I went up to him and I said, "Sir, can't you see your children are bothering other people? Can't you do something about it?" With a very heavy undercurrent. And he says, "Honestly, ma'am, I don't know what to do. Because हम अभी just उनकी मदर का क्रिमेशन करके आ रहे हैं." Instantly, my heart is filled with love and compassion for these children. अब मुझे उनकी हरकतें बेहुदा या खराब या डिस्टर्बिंग नहीं लग रही है. हुआ क्या? पर्सपेक्टिव चेंज हो गया. मैं उसी चीज को काइंडनेस और कंपैशन से देख पाई जब मैं रियलिटी को जान पाई. तो एक काउंसलर क्या करने वाला है? वही करने वाला है, राइट, टू हेल्प यू सी थिंग्स विद अ डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव. सो आई वुड से it is extremely important because you can't see the other person's perspective. You can't understand where they are coming from. And it would really, really help to see things differently. However, there are a lot of books on relationship. There are a lot of, thanks to social media, thanks to people like you, there
And
are
you guys.
thousands of people who are talking about it. You will learn a lot if you have an intention to learn and improve your relationship. If you're going to the counselor, okay, show him that he is wrong. I've been telling him all his life and he just doesn't get it. I want you to tell him that he's wrong. तब फिर वो काउंसलिंग का कोई फायदा नहीं. But if I'm going with only one perspective that I genuinely want to make our relationship better, and I would love to know where I am going wrong too, and I'm open to changing and improving, and I don't want to rub my partner on the wrong side, वो counseling definitely help karega, and we really believe that one should go for it. In fact, our children, our son and our daughter-in-law have been going to counselors to help their relationship become better.
Beautiful. I mean, that's something that's very important because आज भी इंडियन सोसाइटी में एक साइकोलॉजिस्ट के पास, काउंसलर के पास जाना एक टैबू माना जाता है. इट्स नॉट वेल रिसीव्ड. So thank you for saying that. All right, let's get to some rapid questions.
Okay.
Quick questions, rapid fire. This is my favorite part of any of my shoots where I can do a quick rapid fire. Okay. What is the number one mistake couples make when arguing?
Proving myself right.
Okay. How can you make your partner feel heard in just 5 seconds?
Yeah, I'm listening. And speaking, and that saying with eyes also, not only words.
Okay. What is the secret to keeping love alive after so many years together?
Being curious.
Being curious. How should you handle a partner who shuts down during a fight?
Give
Give-
space.
Yeah, but then know that you need to talk about it too.
What's a healthy way to say I need space without hurting your partner?
Just saying I need space and it's got nothing to do with you. I can see that I'm getting worked up.
And saying it without undercurrent.
Without undercurrent is the word. What's one question every couple should ask before getting married?
Are you ready to grow with me?
Nice question.
What's the best way to reconnect after a big fight?
Apologizing for hurting the other person. It's not about who was right or who was wrong. If I have caused hurt to the other person, I must start with an apology.
Why is winning an argument actually losing in a relationship?
Because winning an argument means proving I'm right. And if I'm right, that automatically means he's wrong. And if he's a part of the relationship and he's wrong, that means the relationship is wrong.
Okay. How can couples avoid falling into the roommate phase?
By always staying connected and not taking each other for granted. I believe कि हम दोनों अगर एक कमरे में एक साथ हैं and we didn't exchange a smile or we didn't exchange a touch or a hug, you're going to get into a roommate phase.
Okay. What's a green flag that shows a relationship will last?
When you have 10 good things happening, vice versa, one conflict.
What's the best way to deal with a partner who's emotionally distant?
I believe communication, open, transparent, honest communication is the vital ingredient for a good relationship.
So I think a partner distances himself or herself is because they know that if I open up, if I be vulnerable, I will be hurt again. So creating that safe space and letting your partner know, I would love to know where you come from, with a calming voice, eventually will help the partner understand that I can be vulnerable here. And when you get to that point, the relationship is so beautiful therefrom.
And that should be honest attempt, I believe. See, if I say, you can say whatever you want to say. It's not a court of law, right? If I say, yeah, they tell me what you want to say. Whatever you want to say, I want to hear. I'm here for you.
Wow. What is that one daily habit that can instantly improve any relationship?
A very warm good morning and a very equally warm good night, rather than saying it to your mobile phones.
I think that's what's happening everywhere.
True.
How do you know if your partner has a communication problem?
Whew.
Big one.
Oh, well, if you're not being able to sort out your differences, then I believe both of you have a communication problem, क्योंकि ताली एक हाथ से नहीं बजती. मैं शायद ऐसे बात करती हूँ which makes him feel defensive and he shuts down. So problem मेरा भी है और उनका भी है.
So shutting down is important from that person's perspective. लेकिन वो दूसरे पर्सन की काबिलियत होनी चाहिए कि वो ताला खोल ले. उसका तो प्रॉब्लम है, लेकिन आपकी एक्सपर्टीज कहाँ है? क्योंकि एक लंगड़ा है और एक अंधा है तो दोनों मिलके चल सकते हैं. दोनों ही लंगड़े या दोनों अंधे हैं तो प्रॉब्लम है.
Very true. How do you think couples should handle finances without fighting?
Well, so when you trust each other and when you are open and transparent with each other about your values and your needs and respect each other's fancies also. पर अगर हम allocation करें कि 10% of our total income is for, something that I fancy, which may not be logical. 20% is for this. Another 20% is for our children's education. Another 20% is for this. अगर हम ये एक बार बैठ के bifurcate कर लें and we agree on this, then I think there would not be an issue. And one big thing which I have seen a lot of women complain to me on our DMs is, my husband doesn't want to take care of my parents and he doesn't like I spend money on my parents, which are my own money. He believes that मैं भी जो पैसे कमा रही हूँ इसी family के लिए जाने चाहिए. That's not how it should be. If it's our children, now it is our parents. We both have 2 sets of parents now on. So अगर उस नजरिए से हम देखेंगे तो मुझे नहीं लगता problems हो.
Okay, wow, that's beautiful. What are the few things that you should never say during a fight?
Never name each other. जैसे मैंने बोला, never label a person. It's never about the dude. Character को कभी ना छेड़ो. कभी ना छेड़ो. तुम ऐसे हो, तुम वैसे हो. Always make it about you. This is what I am feeling.
What is an underrated way to make your partner feel truly appreciated?
Saying simple words, one liner, ये तुमने बहुत अच्छा किया. Simple, no technical, nothing. घुमा
You
फिरा के
notice it, no, before you can even say that. Noticing what your partner is doing. Never take anything for granted, I believe.
Beautiful. What's the simple trick to instantly reduce relationship stress?
A hug.
Ah. The most beautiful thing which is often neglected or not given that due weightage.
जादू की जप्पी.
Jadoo ki jappi.
Yes.
What is the best advice you would give for couples struggling with different love languages?
Make an effort to learn the other person's love language and do it for them and stop counting कौन पहले ये बदलाव ला रहा है. You know, when it becomes a competition, मैंने इतना किया, तुमने मेरी love language के लिए क्या किया, then you messed it all up.
And practice during peace times, not during World War times.
Very true. Very true. Okay. A few more questions. What is the biggest myth about modern relationships?
That you can get a perfect partner.
How can a simple thank you transform your daily connection?
I think it's not just about thank you. It is about noticing, appreciating what the other person does. And
Even देखने से भी thank you बोल सकते हैं.
yeah, you don't have to say it in words. And you just smile and, you just nod and acknowledge what the other person has done.
How do you maintain individuality while growing together?
If you know your individuality, you will have respect for the other person's individuality. And when you get married, you create something beautiful together too.
How do you seek help for unresolved issues?
Well, like he always keeps saying, it can only be done in peacetime. So when do you bring up this issue is extremely important. And I very much believe that you should not sit across to each other and talk about your conflicts or issues. Walk together. Walking naturally secretes serotonin. You feel good about yourself. You're in a little happier mood. So when you are a little happier, you are more tolerant and you're together, you're walking side by side. Here you are on the other side of the table. So it ends up fighting. So whenever we resolve conflicts, we walk together, we talk there. So walking and talking.
What are the top 5 love languages?
Acts of service,
Quality time,
gifts,
physical touch.
and words of affirmation.
What books would you advise people to read to improve their relationship?
Men are from Mars, women are from Venus.
That's
Five
the
love
first
languages.
we started with. And now we've gone through a lot of books written by Gottmans. That's helping us. I mean, we've read so many books.
Fight Right is the last book we are now reading.
Yeah.
Latest one. Not
Fight right.
Yeah.
There's a right way to fight also. Wow.